My name is Sarah Brennison with the Infinite Shine Enterprises at our studio for your Tupper Tip Thursday. So here in Minnesota, a lot of our parties and events in the summertime are outside. And this weekend in particular is going to be very warm. And inevitably, somebody loves to bring a pasta salad, or they want to bring a potato salad or something like that. But if you don't keep it in an ice bath, you end up having that go bad before maybe people get to eat it. So this is something to help you prolong the life of that salad before everybody eats it off. It uses our classic bowl set. Now we have at least 2 of these in our house at any given time. And the 2 that you're going to use for this purpose is the medium one and the large one. And what I love about the classic bowl set is the seals match the bowls and they nest inside of each other, and that's key for this process. So you're going to take the seal off of the large, you're going to put the medium inside, and you can leave the cover of the medium on top because it doesn't really matter at this point. This is preparation for adding your salad to it. Your salad's not going to be done already. You're going to take your water and you're just going to fill the gap. There's a little gap, if you can see, between the large bowl and the medium bowl, and you're just going to fill that gap with some water. And if you have the seal of the medium bowl on it, then you can see that it's kind of floating. Does everybody see that? Perfect. If you're watching live or on the replay, let us know. And then you just put that seal on. Now it's very important that you put the seal of the medium on, so that way it doesn't just become a little line down here. Now you can add a little bit more water because there is still space. So I'm going to add a little bit more water to this. I'm going to put the seal back on. Now for our classic bowls, you take the seal, there's a lip here, you tuck it under, and then you close it. Now you can see that the water is going up a little bit into the sides, and so this is going to keep your pasta salad, your potato salad, whatever salad you're going to use, nice and cold until the last spoonful is done. This bowl set is one of my favorites. It's something that our hostesses can get for free or half off, or if you would like to join, you have the ability to share this idea with your friends and family as well, and maybe even get some for yourself. And from time to time, it does go on sale too, in different colors. So my question is, what do you prefer to put in yours? Would you use pasta salad or shrimp salad or some salad, all different? If you have a great recipe you can share, please share it in the comments, and feel free to like, comment, and share this so that we can help others learn this Tupper Tip Thursday.